All right, now that it's out of the box, the shipping box, let's get to opening the product box here. So this is a DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So this will come in nice and handy as I'm getting ready for my trip to Colombia. So I'll be able to make some great footage and get some steady stuff with my phone here. So, all right, so I actually have to go in the house, grab a knife and cut a piece of the plastic so I can reach and grab it. So here we go. So my box is empty there. Got this guy here. Bam. So I'll get back to that. Alright, it's wrapped with protective plastic, and I believe this will be the tripod piece. Very nice. So lay that on the table. We got these. Not really sure what this is for. Anti-slip pads. Okay. Then we got the magnetic piece. DJI that hooks to the mobile. And then, alright, there's a gel pack under, keep things fresh. And the stabilizer itself. Alright, I am psyched. Okay. Here we go. Well, ain't she a beauty? Okay, so I can attach the tripod to this. Here's the magnetic piece. Keep that for later. And then we're back to this little box here. If I remember right, this is where they keep the patches. I've seen a couple of unboxing videos. So the little mini bag that you can, or carry bag they gave with you. Okay, nothing there. There it is. Nice little bag. Little carry bag. And then, looks like DJI recommended video editing app. Okay. Must have an app for DJI users. Light cut app. Okay. And try. It's an AI editor. Okay, that's interesting. Also got the manual, quick start guide, and some links to check out their YouTube, Twitter, all that kind of stuff. So I can put that aside. I'll check this app out. And then we also got the cable. So USB to one of the micros. So I actually already have one of these cables because of the DJI drone that I have. So that's good to have. Now I'll have two. So I'm psyched to get some filming done. So for this video, I'll do a little trial with the stabilizer. Alright, so there she sits. So I'll have to attach this metal piece here. I'm just waiting for the app to download that they recommended. So let's see what I can get done with the app. I've actually never used it, so let's give it a go.
Maybe I should make the move. I guess I don't have much to lose. If If we were face to face, would you be the first to break? Though I did see a blade on your chain, so maybe I'll wait. I'm in hell, hoping to sort it out. So love me.